What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is MadisonReedPayn and I'm so excited that you guys are joining me today. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, give this video a thumbs up, all the things. But today's video is inspired by my friend Natalie, shout out Natalie, who was talking about her eyelash place being closed, and she was like, my eyelashes are falling out by the day. So I thought I would show you guys how to apply false eyelashes. Tomorrow I will be showing you guys how I did my eyelash extensions back in the day in high school. So be sure to stick around if you guys want to see that video. But I would make this video if you guys wanted this as an option since your eyelash place is closed right now. A lot of us are stuck at home, so you do have a little bit of time if you wanted to practice. I thought I would make this video. There are several hacks that can make applying false eyelashes so much easier, so I'm going to share those with you guys today, and let's jump into the video. So a few things before you apply your lashes. I already have eyeliner on because I find that it's really hard to get exactly on your waterline once you've applied the lashes. I also already have mascara on. And if you want to get several uses out of your lashes, you don't want to apply mascara directly on them, at least your first couple of uses. So I like to go ahead and already have my mascara on. Plus it helps everything to blend. Even if you have darker lashes, it's still really noticeable when it's a bare lash up against this jet black eyelash. So make sure you have a layer of eyeliner on and your mascara good to go before you apply your lashes. So the first thing you're gonna need obviously is some lashes. I highly recommend as a beginner going with some wispy lashes. I'm not sure how well you guys can see these, but even if you don't use this brand, this one is Salon Perfect and I believe they sell this at Walmart. Look for some wispies. You don't wanna go too big when you're a beginner or where it looks just like a black coat. You want there to be some space in between your lashes. Ardell also sells a wispy pack that is fantastic. For me, I normally do more volume than this, but like I said, as a beginner, I would kind of work your way up and see what you like. So wispies are a great place to start. You're also gonna need some eyelash glue. I'm actually almost out of this Duo eyelash glue, but I love theirs. This is the clear one. If you're a beginner, you definitely want to work with clear glue. I've been doing this forever and I will sometimes not be paying attention or be in a hurry and my eyelash will end up on my lid. I mean, things happen. If you have black glue, it will leave a mark wherever you have it. So I much prefer clear. I think it's a lot more goof proof. And Duo is hands down the best glue I've ever used and I've tried everything. I highly recommend this. You can get this at the drugstore, Walmart, any of those. I will link everything below in the description as well. And for one of my hacks, you are going to need a pair of scissors, so make sure you have those on hand. Also, my nails are super long. They're really grown out because I'm stuck in my house right now, but my nails are really long. So I don't use tweezers to actually apply my lashes, but you definitely can do that. Just play around with what works for you. However, I find that removing them from the tray is a little bit easier with tweezers. So you can just kind of pluck an end off and you've removed the lash. So the first thing that I do when I get my lashes is I cut off one weft from the end of them. Everyone's eye size is going to be different, so you're going to want to play around with how much to cut. I have really large eyes and I still cut off one weft, and when I say weft, I mean like one cluster of the lashes there on the end. You can see I just go ahead and chop. So it's about that much of the lashes. This is definitely a major tip, and especially if you're not going with a crazy huge eyelash, you should not be able to feel your lashes, and a big part of that is trimming them. So like I said, I cut one weft on the edge. You guys, I've lost my other lash.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, I thought I lost my other eyelash and I just looked on the floor for about 5 minutes for it and it's been stuck to my wrist the entire time. So like I said, on my other lash as well, I'm gonna also just cut off one of the little wefts. The next thing that I do that makes application easier is, I don't know the technical term for this, but I break up the lashes. I sort of stretch out that band, that way it's not as rigid and it'll be a little easier for me to apply. So I just kind of go over it a few times and loosen it up. Some lashes, the bands are more rigid than others, but I just pretty much as a universal rule always do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my eyelash glue. So there are two things that are important about your glue application. The first thing is you wanna cover the entire strip, but you don't wanna douse it. So I just barely squeeze it out and then run it along the lash strip. If you put on too much and then you put it on your eye, that's whenever you have a harder time getting the eyelash off. You just do a thin layer of glue and you can just peel your lashes right off. So you want to just apply a thin layer, enough for it to stick, but you don't want it to glob up and make it harder to remove later. And then also maybe the most important step of the entire process is to let your glue almost completely dry. You want it to be really tacky so it's ready to actually stick to your eyelash. If it's wet, you're gonna have to hold it there longer, you're probably gonna move, it's not gonna fit on right. If your glue is tackier, it is seriously 10 times easier. And then when applying your lashes, I find that it's easier to start and set one side down and then just kind of lay it. Don't mash down on it until you're sure that it's going where you want it. So I feel good about it, so I'm just kind of pressing down on my whole lash line. And that's all you have to do, you guys. It is so much easier if you wait for your glue to be tacky. I'm telling you, that is the whole ball game. Alright, so your girl has her lashes on, and that is it for this video. So I hope you guys did find this video helpful, and if you guys practice this and use these hacks, I promise your lashes will get easier. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, ring the bell, do all the things, and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see right now. I asked everyone over on Instagram at MadisonReedPayn, and I got a mix of at-home videos and business as usual videos, so just let me know below. I want to continue to make content for y'all. I know it can be a distraction during all of this going on, at least YouTube is for me. And I just want you guys to know that I'm thinking about all of y'all, I'm praying for y'all. I really do love our little community here on YouTube so much, so thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.